Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna play. Don't press the button too. I played before, it's so much fun. It's 3 seconds. It was like this cheat that you could do in the game. I'll show you guys after. Wait, what? I thought they put the character right there. So they didn't go over there. What? What? You can change your clothes to like this. Oh no, you gotta pay. Yay, I'm big boy. Look at my hot sauce. Ain't that too little? My Coke. Always seem better. I want coin. Ducky. Oh man. Go get that coin. No. Screw it. Soccer ball. What are you doing, Sonic? Thanks, Sonic. Dumb. Oh my god. My Coke is too. Wait. I'll see if the glitch is still a thing. The glitch that I made. That I figured out. Hot sauce. The 100 books. Oh, so I'll try to buy this ninja. If I throw hot sauce at it, I will look like hot sauce. Oh my god. Ooh. Ah, look. You can jump. If you get the super jump, I'll go super high. So just keep on trying. Did he patch it? Did this guy saw me do it? Did he patch it? Yes, here we go. Whoa. Oh my god. Spinning around in a town. Well, no, dude. You saw my character. No. Now I died. Oh no, now I died. What do I do? Just buy hot sauce, jump up here, go right there, and then you can die. I mean, you can still win with it. I'm not even that skilled. No, not killing. You drink my soda. Sorry, sucker. Give me coin. I am a little You cannot kill me. You will fight to the death. Die, Amar. And you will die. We're gonna kill you. Dun, dun, dun. Drink my Coca-Cola. Drink. Can I stop jump? All of you guys just died. Dun, dun, but I did not die. Baldi? What are you doing? What am I doing? Spinning around. 10. Woo, no. Okay, guys, that's it for today. See you guys tomorrow.